It's all getting ready to roll this stuff out. State of emergency in Ecuador from that diesel spill. We showed you that footage. I think I still got that footage up, man. So the state of emergency in Ecuador from the diesel spill on the Galapagos Island. Now they're saying it's 2,300 liters of diesel fuel sank. Let's see if I got that clip still. Hopefully I'll hit the right scene here. Look at that dude fell out. That dude fell out of the boat, man. Look at him. He's hanging on for dear life. And he's gone. All right. Try to get it back on. Oh, we are back on the right scene. Think they're going to clean that up? Who knows? So we had an Ecuadorian volcano erupts in the night sky. This happened a couple days ago. Wow, would they already take the video down? Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure.